How to fix iPhone randomly restarting or keeps restarting itself. Let's get started. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. A forced restart can clear temporary glitches causing the issue. For iPhone 8 and newer, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down and power buttons together until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier, hold the home and power buttons until the Apple logo appears. Solution 2. Check for software updates. Outdated software can cause instability. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update it to its latest version. Solution 3. Free up storage space. Go to Settings, then General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Review your storage usage and delete unused apps, photos or files to free up space. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Misconfigured settings may cause restarts. Go to Settings, click on General, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings. This will restore default system settings without erasing your data. Solution 5. Check for faulty apps. Go to Settings, go to Privacy, navigate to the option Analytics and Improvements. A malfunctioning app can cause your iPhone to restart. If a specific app shows frequent crashes, uninstall it. By following these steps, you should be able to stop your iPhone from restarting randomly and enjoy a stable experience again. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.